Today, our focus is on evaluating and ranking more than 21 popular books in the personal finance genre. It's important to note that this list might not include all the books in this category, as there could be some that I haven't read or remember much about. Each book will be categorized into one of 4 tiers. The top tier, S tier, consists of must-read books that have the potential to significantly transform various aspects of your personal finance. Below that is the A tier, which includes highly recommended books that excel at addressing specific problems. Then we have the B tier, which worth considering decent books that can assist you with a particular issue. Finally, we have the C tier, which contains books that are optional reading. Adding to that, this tier list is subjective, and the categorization is based on the impact, influence, and relevance of the books in the field of finance. Remember that personal preferences and individual goals may vary, so feel free to explore the books that align with your interests and objectives. With that being said, let's get started. Let's start with the STA books and move through each tier respectively. First, we have The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. It is a renowned investment book that provides valuable guidance on successful investing, covering topics such as value investing, market behavior, and risk management. The book is suitable for individuals interested in long-term investment strategies and those who want to develop a disciplined approach to investing. It offers timeless wisdom applicable to both novice and experienced investors, emphasizing the importance of thorough analysis, risk assessment, and maintaining a patient and rational mindset. Next, we have A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton Malkiel. It promotes the concept of efficient markets and advocates for passive investing. The book argues against active stock picking and market timing, emphasizing the benefits of a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds or ETFs. It is suitable for individual investors seeking an understanding of investing fundamentals and who are open to adopting a passive investment strategy. The book provides insights into the limitations of trying to beat the market and offers guidance on constructing a diversified portfolio aligned with long-term investment goals. It is particularly valuable for those who prefer a hands-off approach to investing and embrace the principles of broad market exposure and cost-effectiveness. Next on the list is Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman. Although not a personal finance book, it has had a significant impact on people's understanding of psychology and behavioral economics. The book explores the 2 systems of thinking that drive human decision-making. It delves into the cognitive biases and heuristics that often lead to errors in judgment and decision-making processes. The book introduces the concept of the fast, intuitive System 1 thinking and the slow, deliberate System 2 thinking, and how they influence our choices in various situations. It is ideal for those interested in understanding human behavior, decision-making processes, and the factors that shape our judgments. It will appeal to readers who are curious about psychology, behavioral economics, and cognitive science. The book offers valuable insights for a wide range of audiences, including professionals in fields such as business, finance, psychology, and policymaking. Additionally, it is accessible to general readers who simply want to gain a deeper understanding of their own thinking processes and make better decisions in their daily lives. Afterwards is Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. It explores the author's upbringing with 2 father figures and their contrasting views on money. It offers valuable lessons on wealth creation, investing, and developing a financial mindset. The book is suitable for individuals seeking financial education and a fresh perspective on accumulating wealth. It challenges conventional beliefs and provides practical strategies for achieving financial independence. The content is relevant to readers at different stages of their financial journey and to those interested in personal development and changing their money mindset. Then we have The Richest Man in Babylon by George Clason. It imparts timeless financial wisdom through a series of parables set in ancient Babylon. It is best suited for individuals seeking practical advice on saving, investing, wealth management, and building financial success. The book is particularly helpful for beginners and those looking to improve their financial situation since it presents the information in an engaging and accessible narrative format. It offers valuable insights for cultivating good financial habits, understanding the importance of saving, and developing a long-term wealth-building mindset. The next book is The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley, is a final book that we would place in the STA. This book challenges common assumptions about wealth by highlighting the habits and lifestyles of ordinary, hardworking millionaires. It is valuable for individuals interested in understanding the behaviors that contribute to financial success. The book offers practical advice on frugality, budgeting, wealth accumulation, and long-term financial stability. It is particularly beneficial for those seeking inspiration and motivation to achieve financial independence and make sound financial decisions. Moving to the A tier. First, we have The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John Bogle Advocates for a passive investment strategy through index funds. It is best suited for individual investors seeking a straightforward and rational approach to investing. The book emphasizes the advantages of low-cost, diversified investing that aims to match the market's performance. Bogle's insights provide guidance on building a portfolio aligned with long-term goals, focusing on broad market exposure, low fees, and patience. It is valuable for both novice and experienced investors who aim to simplify their approach and achieve long-term wealth accumulation. Next is The 4 Pillars of Investing by William Bernstein, is a comprehensive book that explores the essential principles of successful investing. It covers theory, history, psychology, and business as the 4 pillars of investment knowledge. The book is best suited for individuals looking to deepen their understanding of investing and develop a well-rounded approach. It provides valuable insights into investment strategies, asset allocation, risk management, and market behavior. It is beneficial for both novice and experienced investors who seek a thoughtful and analytical approach to investing and who are willing to dedicate time and effort to apply these principles to their portfolios. Following, we have Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, is a self-help book that inspires readers to develop a positive mindset and take action to achieve success and wealth. It is suitable for individuals seeking personal growth, motivation, and success in various areas of life. The book offers insights into the power of thoughts, perseverance, and building strong relationships. It provides practical strategies for overcoming obstacles, developing self-discipline, and harnessing the power of the mind. This timeless book is valuable for entrepreneurs, professionals, students, and anyone looking to unlock their potential and achieve personal and financial success. Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez is a personal finance book that encourages readers to redefine their relationship with money and prioritize financial independence. It is best suited for individuals seeking a more intentional and fulfilling approach to their finances. The book provides practical strategies for reducing expenses, tracking income and expenses, and achieving financial goals. It explores the concept of financial independence and offers insights into conscious spending and finding fulfillment beyond material possessions. It is valuable for individuals at various stages of their financial journey, from debt management to building savings and pursuing early retirement. Ending the A tier with The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins is a personal finance book that provides a practical and straightforward approach to achieving financial independence and building wealth. It is suitable for individuals at various stages of their financial journey. The book emphasizes simplicity, low-cost investing, and understanding the basics of investing in the stock market. It offers clear explanations of investment concepts and advocates for a passive investing strategy using index funds. The book is valuable for both beginners and experienced investors looking to develop a solid investment strategy and gain a deeper understanding of personal finance. It provides actionable advice and principles applicable to long-term wealth building. Afterwards, starting in the B tier, is Rich Dad's Guide to Investing by Robert Kiyosaki, is a book that aims to educate readers about investment principles and strategies to build wealth. It is best suited for individuals who already have a basic understanding of personal finance and want to expand their knowledge of investing. The book explores various asset classes and provides insights into the mindset and techniques of successful investors. Kiyosaki emphasizes financial education, calculated risk-taking, and creating passive income streams. It is particularly relevant for those interested in shifting from being consumers to investors and entrepreneurs. However, readers should approach the book critically and supplement its teachings with additional research and advice from reliable sources. Next is The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, explores the intersection of psychology and personal finance, providing insights into how human behavior influences financial decisions. It is a valuable book for individuals seeking a deeper understanding of the psychological factors at play in money management. The book is relevant to both novice and experienced investors, as well as anyone interested in personal finance. It emphasizes long-term thinking, risk management, and the importance of aligning financial decisions with personal values. Through real-life examples and historical anecdotes, Housel highlights the impact of emotions, biases, and cognitive processes on financial outcomes. Overall, The Psychology of Money offers a unique perspective on personal finance, helping readers develop a more informed and rational approach to their financial lives by considering the psychological aspects of money. Following in the list, we have a special book that's specifically tailored for women, Smart Women, Finish Rich by David Bach, as offering practical advice and strategies to achieve financial security and independence. It is suitable for women of all ages and backgrounds who want to take control of their financial lives and make informed decisions. The book covers topics such as budgeting, saving, investing, and planning for the future. It addresses common financial challenges faced by women, providing guidance on managing debt, increasing savings, and making wise investment choices. Additionally, it emphasizes the importance of cultivating a positive mindset and building confidence in financial decision-making. Overall, Smart Women, Finish Rich is a comprehensive guide that empowers women to overcome financial obstacles and create a secure financial future. Next is I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. It is designed to help readers gain control over their finances and build wealth. It is best suited for young professionals and individuals starting their financial journey. The book offers a 6-week plan that covers various aspects of personal finance, including budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. Sethi provides actionable strategies such as automating finances, optimizing credit card usage, and making strategic investments. He addresses psychological barriers and offers techniques to overcome them. Overall, the book is a practical guide that empowers readers to take charge of their financial lives and lays the groundwork for long-term financial success. Concluding our B tier with You Are a Badass at Making Money by Gene Sincero is a self-help book that aims to transform readers' mindset and relationship with money to achieve financial success. It is best suited for individuals seeking inspiration and guidance to overcome limiting beliefs and take action towards their financial goals. Sincero combines practical advice, motivational stories, and mindset-shifting exercises to help readers break through financial barriers, increase their income, and cultivate a positive money mindset. The book addresses common fears and provides strategies to overcome them, emphasizing the importance of taking risks, setting goals, and adopting a proactive approach to money-making opportunities. Overall, it is a motivational and empowering resource for those looking to unlock their financial potential and create a life of financial abundance. Finalizing with C category, we start with Reminiscences of a Stock Operator by Edwin Lefebvre is a captivating book that tells the fictionalized biography of Jesse Livermore, a renowned stock trader. It is a must-read for individuals interested in stock trading, investing, and the dynamics of financial markets. Through Livermore's experiences, the book offers insights into market psychology, risk management, and the importance of discipline in trading. It provides a first-hand account of Livermore's successes, failures, and the lessons he learned along the way. The book is both an engaging story and a valuable resource for understanding the emotional and psychological aspects of trading. Overall, Reminiscences of a Stock Operator offers timeless lessons and a deeper understanding of the complexities of the financial market. Following, we have Rich Dad's Cash Flow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki, It explores the 4 quadrants of income: employee, self-employed, business owner, and investor. It is best suited for individuals interested in expanding their financial knowledge and achieving financial freedom. The book provides insights into the mindsets, skills, and strategies associated with each quadrant and encourages readers to transition from being an employee or self-employed to becoming a business owner or investor. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of passive income and ongoing financial education. Overall, the book serves as a guide to understanding different income-generating paths and encourages readers to explore opportunities beyond traditional employment to achieve financial independence. Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by T. Harv Eker is a self-help book that focuses on the mindset and psychology necessary for achieving financial success. It is suitable for individuals who want to transform their relationship with money and improve their financial circumstances. The book explores the beliefs and thought patterns that separate the wealthy from the rest and provides practical strategies for changing one's money mindset. Eker introduces the concept of the money blueprint and offers techniques for reprogramming it to support wealth creation. Through personal stories, success examples, and actionable exercises, the book encourages readers to pursue financial education, adopt positive affirmations, set goals, and take decisive action. Overall, Secrets of the Millionaire Mind aims to empower individuals to overcome limiting beliefs and develop a mindset conducive to achieving abundance and financial freedom. Next is The Coffeehouse Investor by Bill Schultheis. It advocates for a simple and passive approach to investing. It is ideal for individuals seeking a less complex and more relaxed strategy for managing their investments. The book emphasizes long-term, low-cost, and diversified investing principles, focusing on asset allocation, portfolio diversification, and the use of index funds. Schultheis addresses common investment mistakes and provides insights on risk management and maintaining discipline in the face of market fluctuations. Additionally, the book promotes a holistic view of personal finance, aligning investment strategies with life goals and values. It encourages readers to strive for financial independence, reduce debt, and maintain a balanced lifestyle. Overall, The Coffeehouse Investor offers a straightforward and accessible approach to investing, making it suitable for beginners and those seeking a hands-off approach to wealth building. Last but not least, we have The Boglehead's Guide to Investing by Taylor Larimore, Mel Lindauer, and Michael Lebo as a comprehensive investment guide that follows the principles of John C. Bogle, the founder of Vanguard Group. This book is suitable for individual investors looking to learn about low-cost, long-term investment strategies. The authors, who are part of the Boglehead community, provide practical advice on various investment topics. They cover asset allocation, diversification, minimizing costs, mutual funds and ETFs, tax, efficient investing, and retirement planning. The Boglehead's Guide to Investing emphasizes the benefits of passive index fund investing and cautions against active trading or high-cost funds. It encourages readers to focus on long-term goals and stay committed to their investment strategy. The book also addresses common investment mistakes, offers insights on financial planning, and provides guidance on risk management and maintaining discipline in investing. It combines knowledge with real-life examples to help readers make informed decisions. In summary, The Boglehead's Guide to Investing is a valuable resource for investors of all levels who are interested in adopting a low-cost, long-term investment approach. It promotes simplicity, diversification, and adherence to a disciplined investment strategy in line with the principles of John C. Bogle and the Boglehead community. And that concludes our ranking of the most renowned books in the personal finance niche. I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comments section below. Apart from that, stay tuned for more updates and content.